What do she have? Oh, she Ratchet?
Y'all Rapunzel! What? Let's how you leave! Thank you. Good, because I didn't want that steak to leave anyway, and I had all y'all doo-doo breath on it. Let me out of here! No! Yes! Give me my crown! What crown? The one on your head! I ain't got nothing on my head! I'm about to come to this thing and beat you up! Well, come on! Okay! Okay! I need somebody to lock this door because I can't break my nose.
What's the Scooby-Doo? We're coming after you. We're gonna solve that mystery. I see you, Scooby-Doo. We're traveling after you. What's the Scooby-Doo? What's the Scooby-Doo? We're gonna follow you. We're gonna solve that mystery.
We interrupt this program for a word from our sponsors. Eat rainbow pancakes. They're politically correct and fabulous. And who doesn't love pancakes and rainbows?
Here's your daughter.
My baby girl.
Get it! Pick it up! Thank you!
Princess Ratchet Rapunzel. What do she? All wrong. Cause she Ratchet. Give me the phone. I'm finna take this. She Ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause she Ratchet. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too wrong. See you Ratchet.
Maybe Dave. Here's your daughter. Action. Water.
Why don't
Okay.
Where are you going?
I guess just go with it.
You do.
Shoot it. Go.
No, it's... Oh.
Well, you could be a prison guard
Action.
if you're on the wrong side of the fence.
Have a bat.
Actually, I was laying there.
I should have known that one.
Are you filming?
To get you. Love you. Good.
Like after the whole video.
Now give me that crap!
Yeah, I've seen that.
Old person.
Elliot? Hey, how you doing, buddy? I'm doing swell. That's swell, buddy.
Day 3, being left behind by the rest of the group. They've all moved on without me. Rachel's so mean. I don't know how much longer I can go on. I don't know if anyone will ever see this video, but if they do, please send help.
Wait, am I in the shot?
No.
I am now.
Only me and Rapunzel.
You're not recording, are you?
Yes, I am.
Wait, what?
Hello, David.
Ready? Tell me when you're ready.
That's rude.